Yep, hello and bonjour and welcome to my channel. Holy crapoli, we are finally unboxing the January Birchbox slash Blissim because I live in France. Oh my goodness, you guys, this literally just came in the mail. The reason I'm like, oh my god, this shipped out on December 31st. What is up with that? And you might think, oh, Christmas, you know, busy, whatever, but I literally always get this subscription on like the 1st or the 2nd of the month, and recently I've been getting it the month prior actually, so I really thought I would get it a lot sooner and be able to give you this review, especially because as well, something they've been doing now which is really nice, they allow you to pick out certain aspects of your box or bag early. So you have like a 2-day window, and so for this month, fresh starts, I think it's the theme across everywhere, but you have the choice of a pink or purple cute little squishy puffer bag. I obviously chose purple, I love purple, and that's why as well, I picked it like mid-end of December, so I was like, I'm for sure gonna get this on like, I don't know, the first week, so this is the latest it has ever arrived for me, so a little bit disappointed there, but Christmas, January, I'm yabbering on. Let's just get into it. So, anyways, let us just dive in. So like I said, the theme is fresh start, and I'm really loving what they've been doing. So quickly again, it's Blissim, but it's Birchbox. It's French, so they kind of changed the name, but I'm still doing these videos with Birchbox because it's pretty much still the same thing. And I'm very excited because they've been doing the little baggies, which I love since December, so I'm really hoping they continue with that because I think it's such a cute little fresh idea, and I feel like it has its own value. But this is what it looks like. Again, a cute little puffer when you have the choice of purple or pink. Let's get going. I'm hyped up. I'm so ready for this. This better be a good year. It's quite full, so I'm very excited, and I feel something quite big. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, let me get my booklet for you guys so I can fully read everything. So I know this product. This is the Eyeko IG liquid eyeliner, but full size. Full size, guys, we've got a full size. We've gotten the mini in glossy box for the month of November, and I've been using it, and it's actually such a good eyeliner. I really do like it very much so. Here's what it looks like. Again, it has the cardboard on it, but this is a wonderful product, and wow, what a start to this month's box. That was well worth the wait. This guy on his own, full size, is worth 20 euro. If you're subscribed to Birchbox, however, 17 euro. So wow, amazing value right off the bat, because I think the bag is, what, 13 euros a subscription? 11, 12, something like that. So already, wow, amazing, super great. Yes, this is awesome. Also, quick point as well, because usually we get all the samples, which has been so frustrating if you've seen my previous videos, but wow, okay, I'm just awesome. Let's see if it keeps going. Alrighty, Rue, next. Ooh, okay, we have the Aqua Hero Hydrating Body Balm. So obviously it's not a full size. This is is it? No, obviously not. This is a deluxe or travel or mini size. So does it smell? It smells quite nice and fresh. What's so special about it? It has marine crystals, is that right? I'm trying to translate, okay. Hydrating body balm, chrysanthemum maritime based. No idea what that is. Apply all over your body, morning, evening. Cool, a body balm, that's really nice. I definitely find these are quite nice because I don't know about you guys, but I really don't buy too many big lotion bottles, so it's always, and I'm never particularly fussed about the kind, so it's always nice to try out something new. This is a really good size. I think you'll really be able to tell if you like it or not. Awesome. And this guy, so for the full size, is 19.90 euro, so if we're doing the 40 mils like we have, it's 3.98 euro or 4 euro. Cool. Next. Aha, we got a lip balm. Oh, I think I know this one. I've gotten this years ago in an Ipsy bag. This is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Green Mandarin and Ginger. No, I read that wrong. Mandarin Green Orange and Ginger Mongongo Lip Conditioner. If I'm not mistaken, this smells like fabulous. Oh my gosh, yes, this was the one I had before. So this guy is obviously full size and worth 7.90 euro. Ooh. Oh, it says body on it. Oh, how cool. So, I mean, it does say lip conditioner, but it says nutrient-dense balm can be used to nourish anywhere on your face and body, particularly recommended for lips, hands, and even dry nose and cheeks. And it's anti-aging. Oh my gosh, that's super cool. Like it's kind of like what we got in the glossy box, a multi-balm. That's awesome. Imagine just having a little one. Sometimes, you know, especially in the winter and the cold, you get the dryness, little patches on your face. That's really, really great. I'm very happy with that. I think multi-use balms are the way to go. Great. €7.90 for that guy. Awesome. Next, Erborian. I love this brand. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. This is like one of the best Blissim Birchbox boxes I've ever gotten. So Erborian is an amazing Korean brand if you don't know it. And I actually won the Travel Korea competition that they had. They did a kind of draw with 10 Korea boxes and I had to post about it on my Instagram. And they had some Erborian products. So, so cool. We have a Korean formula BB cream, 5-in-1 total sheer makeup care face cream. And with broad spectrum SPF 20, I have the shade Nude. Oh my goodness, wow. And I think this is full size. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cool. Oh my gosh, I just have to open this right now. You guys, I'm way too excited. Surely that's not full size. Yeah, it is. Okay. That's quite small, 15 mils. Let's see if the color will match me. Obviously, I think as a BB cream, it shears out, so it should, but wow. Oh, first of all, definitely a match. Doesn't really particularly smell too much, smells a little bit fresh, but that's really nice. Blended into my skin beautifully, definitely evened out my hand. You probably can't tell on camera. Wow, evens out complexion, reduces appearance of blemishes, refines texture, moisturize and plump the skin, and give a non-oily, velvety finish for sheer, flawless finish. Wow, you guys, I'm stunned. Like when I was thinking about my subscription boxes that I'm getting this month, I was not thinking this one would be the one that would come out on top, just because historically it's been a bit so-so, and I very almost canceled my subscription. So holy crap, Oli, I am so glad I didn't. I cannot believe I almost canceled my subscription. And this guy, full price, is €16.90. Wow. And I think the last one, I should show the logo when I take this out. Ooh, big product again. What is this? So here we have the Luxeol conditioner. Wow. With provitamin B5 and vitamin PP. I don't know what that means. Gives strength and vitality to the hair. Oh, wow. Okay, so you might be thinking, if you've seen some of my other videos and reviews, you recall how frustrated I am to get shampoos in subscription boxes because, first of all, why? And second of all, they're like this big for one wash. But this is a conditioner and it is 75 mils. Like that is such a good size. This guy for the 75 mils is worth €4.83, but I can use this. Like this is quite a bit of conditioner. And weirdly enough, this may sound strange, but in France, I find that for shampoo and conditioner on the shelf, 90% of the items are shampoo, maybe 10% conditioner. It's really not that big here, and I don't know why. Like I sometimes struggle to find conditioner. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that just smells heavenly. I'm just gonna leave it here with my nose. Guys, this is great. This is okay, and if I got a shampoo this big or something once in a while, again, let's clarify that. That would be great. And also, I don't know about you guys, but it's always a meme too. I use up like most of my conditioner and I still have a crap ton of shampoo left. So this is awesome for those moments when I'm out of conditioner, but still not out of my shampoo. Smells amazing, looks great. Can't wait to try it. I can't wait. Wow. And last but not least, I am gonna count this, but what a cute little fun bag. I love the idea of having these bags. They're so useful, they're so convenient and cute, and I mean, obviously there's not a price for the bag. I would imagine, you can say at least €2. I won't add that to the final, but just a beautiful, cute little touch, and I'm so excited, and I hope that they keep doing this. I actually already got the email for February to select an item, and I'm so excited because we're getting, sneak peek, a full-size Fenty Brow MVP, the brow pencil. So that's already so awesome. Like, it feels like with that email and this month, they stepped up to a whole new playing field. So let's do my final thoughts, which I'm sure will not be a surprise to anyone based on how I've been reacting so far. Final thoughts. Oh my goodness. This is hands down the best Birchbox Blissim I have ever received. I am stunned. Like right off the bat with the first item, blew me away. Like how many? 3 items were full size. That does not happen here. And we got the cute bag, and we got an amazing good size conditioner, and a really, I mean, a hand cream, cool, nice, but really nice one. Like, wow. I'm sorry, I'm just stunned. And 2 makeup items. That's something I've been complaining about a lot, sorry, but like it's always an itty bitty sample of some sort of skincare and then like a shampoo sample. We had a full-size BB cream from a Korean amazing brand. We got a full-size amazing eyeliner. Eyeko is such a loved brand. This guy I've tried before, again, is so good and multi-use. And then a really, really great conditioner, not shampoo, and a body cream. Like with the cutest bag. I feel like I'm just going on and on, but wow, like blown away. I am blown away. This is amazing. Keep it up, Blissim Birchbox. Like this is it. This is it. I really cannot believe I almost canceled my subscription. I would have regretted that so much. Please don't let me down in February. Please don't do it. But wow, amazing. 5 stars, 6 stars. I'll give it 6 stars, especially based on what I've received in the past. Wow, I cannot wait until February's now. I mean, I can wait, I'm going to, I have to, it's life. But I'm just beyond excited. Beyond. This was amazing. So far, my favorite box of January. Hands down. Hands down. Blissim, you deserve this. Like, all right, as always, I'm gonna put the value of this month's box here in 3 currencies for you guys to see and think about it, whether it's worth it or not. I'm gonna say, based on this month, and if it keeps going like this, super worth it, because Birchbox is one of the most affordable subscription boxes. Obviously, maybe they can't do this every single month, but if they do almost every month, beyond worth it. Last year, so I would have said no if you're not really just generally keen on receiving boxes, but recently, they've been stepping it up, and I'm very excited to see what they're gonna do. So based on, so far, 2021, can't recommend enough. And if this one is still available, get it. What value for your money? Like, so good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining, and you got to have a nice little sneaky peek into this month's box. Wow, are you guys surprised? I'm freaking surprised. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what was in your subscription box if you get one. Keep in mind, like I mentioned, this is France, so products may vary between countries or even in France. I don't know. I don't make the Birch boxes. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and if you haven't already, definitely please subscribe to my channel. I'm still new and growing, and it would mean very much for me to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, primarily on Instagram. It's been popping lately, check it out. And I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!